me, Tiffany Taylor, and welcome to my IGTV. I'm so excited because beauhudson sent me a package, one of their new sweatsuits. I can't wait to open it and try it on for you. But first, if you're new here, be sure to follow and check out my YouTube channel. This is it right here. Now, let's get started. And look at their packaging, so nicely wrapped. So let's open it and check out my new sweatsuit. So here it is. Their clothes are always so comfy. This one's the top, and this one is the bottom. First, let's start with the top. I like that it has these letters on the sleeves right here. It says beauhudson. And it has a logo on the back. And it's soft inside. And this is the tag. And it's in a beautiful color, Guava. Now let me show you the pants. What I like about these pants are that it has more words that say beauhudson again, and it has this cute detail. And it also has pockets, and you know I love pockets. And it has a pocket in the back, but this is just a fake pocket. It's for like style, and it has an elastic. And I got mine in a size 7 because I wanted them to be a little loose. But usually I'm a size 6, and their clothes do run a little big. I wouldn't suggest you get your size bigger. Just get your normal size. Alright sisters, it's time to try them on. Let's go! So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a like, follow, and I'll see you later. Bye-bye.